भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। 12th Karika, page number 145. We had completed Bhashya and Tika. Only 7 number Tippani we have to see. So the 7 number Tippani is on Tika, which says Shabdasya Kvachid Ashritatvam Rupavat Anumiyate. This is in Tika. Tippani is there, 7 number. तच्च शब्दाधिकरणं सामान्यतः सिद्धं पारिशेष्यात् आकाशम इति सिद्धम इति. So आकाश सिद्धि, how do you prove that there is something called akash? So here it is using the nyaya prakriya they have mentioned, because according to Vedanta, how do you prove akasha? From Shruti, तस्माद् वाय तस्माद् आत्मना आकाश संभूतः. Akasha is the first element from Atma. In this way we prove. Here they have taken little Nyaya approach in Tippani. See, Shabdasya iti Shabdo gunaha चक्षुर्ग्रहण अयोग्यत्वे, योग्यत्वे नहीं अयोग्यत्वे सति, चक्षुर्ग्रहणा योग्यत्वे सति बहिरिंद्रिय ग्राह्य जाति मत्वात् स्पर्शवत् इति अनुमानेन. So first anumanam is done that shabda is guna. Shabdo guna. Paksha is shabda, guna is sadhya. What is the hetu? That it is chakshuhu grahana ayogya. Shabda guna is chakshu grahana ayogya. Chakshur grahana ayogyatve sati bahirindriya grahya jati matvat. It is known by one of the bahirindriya. It belongs to bahirindriya grahya jati. Bahirindriya grahya jati matvat. Sparshavat. Sparsha is also guna. So you leave shabda. Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. So Chakshur Grahya is what? Chakshu Grahana Ayogya. Rupa is Chakshu Grahana Yogya. Chakshu Grahana Ayogya. And it is like Sparsha. So Shabda is a different guna. Iti anumanena Shabdasya gunatva siddhe. So in Shabda they prove gunatvam. Siddhe, if it is a guna, it has to be ashrita somewhere. Shabdaha kvachid ashritaha gunatvat rupavat. Second anumanam. Shabda is somewhere ashrita. Somewhere means in some dravya. Kvachid ashritaha. Guna. Like Rupa. Rupa is guna and it is kvachid ashrita. Shabda is also guna. Therefore, it has to be kvachid ashrita in some dravya. So, akasha dravya siddhi we are trying to do. Iti samanyatah shabdadhikaranam siddham. In this way, some shabda adhikarana has to exist. That is siddha. Shabdo na sparshavat vishesha guna. Shabda is not a vishesha guna like sparsha. Means sparsha, rupa, rasa and gandha. So these, they four are considered separately. And Shabda is considered separately. In Tarka Sangraha. So here it is, just we take only this much, that Sparsha, Shabda is not like Sparsha. Then some very technical Tarka Sangraha related topic is given. Agni Sanyoga Asamavai Karanatva Abhave Sati Akarana Guna Pratyakshatvat Sukhavat. Actually, this is whole thing is one Anumana. So even though there is Purna Viram in the middle, Shabdo na Sparshavad Vishesha Gunaha. This is the Sadhya. Na Sparshavad Vishesha Gunatva in Shabda. Why? Hetu is Agni Sanyoga Asamavai Karanatva Abhave Sati Akarana Guna Pratyakshatvam, like Sukham. Then Pakaj Rupadav Vyavichar Varanaya Satyantam. Satyantam means the first part. Agni Sanyoga Asamavai Karanatva Abhava. This part of the Hetu is added to remove the Vyabhichara in Pakaj Rupa. And Patarupado Vyabhichar Varanaya in Patarupa to remove Vyabhichara Akarana Guna Pratyakshatvat. Akarana Guna Pratyakshatvam. This part is added. To remove Vyabhichara in Jaliya Parmanu Rupa, Pratyaksha Shabda is added. In this way, this Anumana we don't need to worry right now. Understand only this one, this part. At the end, Itham, by this Shabdadhikaranam Navamam Dravyam Gaganatmakam Siddham. Ninth Dravya, which is the Adhikarana for Shabda Guna, called Akasha, is Siddham. For Akasha Siddhi, this Anumanam is done. Those who have covered Tarka Sangraha and those who know all these things, they can think more and make sure they do Akasha Siddhi. Further now you see, Itascha Ekatve Shrutinam Tatparyam Ityaha. So you have to remember what is the Prakriya. What is Acharya trying to prove in these Karikas? With the help of Agama Vakya, Shruti Vakya, Jiva Utpatti Asambhavana. There is no possibility of Jiva Utpatti. And how he accomplishes? Using Mahavakya. If Jiva Brahma Aikya is proved, Brahma does not have Utpatti, therefore Jiva also doesn't have Utpatti. Itascha ekatve shrutinam tatparyam aha. And for this reason also, ekatve shrutinam tatparyam. Shruti tatparyam is there in ekatva. Why? Jivatmanorananyatva abhedena prashasyate. नानात्वं निन्द्यते यच्च तदेवं हि समञ्जसम्. जीवात्मनोः अनन्यत्वं. जीवात्मनोः means जीवात्मा परमात्मनोः. जीवश्च असौ आत्मा च इति जीवात्मानौ तयोः जीवात्मनोः अनन्यत्वं. जीवात्मा परमात्मा, they are one. There are two names, there is one entity. जीवात्मनोः अनन्यत्वं अभेदेन प्रशस्यते. By the abheda, its prashansa is done. Prashasyate. Because ananyatvam is ekvachanam, therefore prashasyate. Ananyatvam prashasyate. Tasya ananyatvam jivatmano. Abhedena prashasyate. Nanatvam nindyate yacha. Yacha yasma nanatvam cha nindyate tadeva hi samanjasam. Therefore, since there is ninda of nanatvam, therefore nanatvam is not true. And there is prashansa of advaitam, jivatmanoho abhedam. So abheda prashansa is there, therefore abheda advitiyatva ananyatva is the theme of Upanishad, of the Vedas. Nanatvam ninda is done. Therefore nanatvam should be discouraged, should be disregarded. Tadeva hi samanjasam. And that alone is correct. That alone is appropriate. Tika. Abhedena Brahma Veda Brahmaiva Bhavati Ityadina Brahma Bhava Phalavadena Ityarthaha. Abhedena, where it is given, it is said Brahma Veda Brahmaiva Bhavati. In Mundaka, by this Brahma Bhava Phalam is given. Brahma Bhava Phalavadena. This is the Abheda. Abheda between when Jiva knows that he is Brahma, he is Brahma. When Jiva knows he is Brahma, he is Brahma. Not that he will be Brahma, he will become one with Brahma later. Right now he is part, separated, nothing. Third number tippani says, Abheda Jnanasya Phala. Yat prashasyate tad videyam ityadi nyayat ekatva darshane phalavadopapatti upalambhadekatvam. Yat prashasyate tad videyam. What is praised is videya. Ityadi nyayat ekatva darshane phalavada upapatti upalambhat ekatvam. Videya shabda you know. Uddeshya and videya. Jiva is Brahma. So Jiva is Uddeshya. Brahma is videya. That Brahmatva is prashasyate. Tad videyam. Yat prashasyate tad videya. Means that which is praised, that alone is what is being taught. That is where the intended meaning is. That is the vivaksha. इत्यादि न्यायात् एकत्व दर्शने फलवाद उपपत्ति, फलवाद and उपपत्ति. फलवाद means result, उपपत्ति means युक्ति. फलवादश्च उपपत्तिश्च इति 4 number टिप्पणी says तयोः उपलम्भात्. फलवादोपपत्ति उपलम्भात्. It will become दीर्घ. फलवादश्च उपपत्तिश्च फलवादोपपत्ति तयोः उपलम्भात्. एकत्वं प्रशस्तत्वात् विवक्षितम् इति भावः. So vivaksha is in ekatva. Means whenever simple thing, like if I tell someone, poking your nose in somebody else's business is not good. Means what? We should not. You don't do it. This is so simple. Whatever is condemned means you don't do it. Whatever is praised, ideal student is the one. Kaha kim karma iti avyapruta buddhi. Who is doing what? I am not interested. I will do my thing, sadhana. I don't say, my thing is to know who is doing what. So, the prashansa is avyaprata buddhi. Means his buddhi's vyapara doesn't happen there. This is avyaprata buddhi. Avyaprata buddhi means buddhi vyapara is not in that direction. That is praised. Saran mitraryudasina madhyastha dvesha bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhir vishishyate. So samabuddhir vishishyate. Vishishyate means that is prashansa. प्रशस्तत्वात् विवक्षितम् इति भावः. यच्च अनेकत्वं सर्वप्राणि साधारणं तन्निन्द्यमानं दृश्यते. And अनेकत्वं means बहुत्वं सर्वप्राणि साधारणं. 5 number टिप्पणी सर्वप्राणि अधिगतम्. Even animals see manyness, bahutvam. Animals will see this is different, that is different. Oh, that is sarva prani sadhanam. That tan nindyamanam. There is ninda of that. This is not something good. Yan nindyate tan nishidhyate iti nyayat nanatvam shastrartho na bhavati ityaha. What is ninditam means its nishedha is done. Therefore, it cannot be नानात्वं न शास्त्रार्थो भवति इत्याह. नानात्वं निंद्यते अत्र. तद उभयम एकत्व प्रशंसनम नानात्व निंदनं च, both together now. एकत्व प्रशंसा, actually ekatva nanatva it is given because in the shloka it is given nanatvam and ananyatvam. But when it is said neha nanasti kinchana, remember there it is not said neha nanatvam asti kinchana. It is not said neha nanatvam asti kinchana. It is said neha nanasti kinchana. So for this karika this is fine, but in Shruti nana nasti. Nanatvam nasti is not said. Nana nasti. Because why I am emphasizing this? Because in one of the text I have read, there is a Purva Paksha where Purva Pakshi proves that in Brahma there is no nanatvam. Purva Pakshi proves there is no nanatvam in Brahma. Siddhanti says we are not proving nanatva abhava in Brahma. We are saying there is no nana in Brahma. So there also there is discussion. So in English, if you want to say there are no many in Brahma, there is no manyness in Brahma, will not be accurate translation. Nanatva nindanam cha ekatvam eva shastriyam iti abhyupagame sati yuktam iti phalitamaha. So these together is the Shastriyam, means Shastriya Artha. The meaning of Shastra is that there is one and there are no many. And that is Yuktam. If you accept that, that alone is the appropriate thing to do. Tadeva hi samanjasam. So now on Shloka, Vyakhyanam is done by Anandagiri. Now Shlokaksharani Vyachaste Bhashya. Yad yuktitah shrutitascha nirdharitam through yukti and shruti, through upapatti and agama nirdharitam. Jivasya parasya cha atmano jivatmanoho ananyatvam. Jivasya parasya cha atmanaha. So here jivatma paramatma. But if you do that way samasa, then jivatmanoho, that para will disappear. So parasya cha atmanaha should be considered as one. Parasya cha asau atma parascha asau atma iti or paramascha asau atma iti paramatma. That atma itself is parama. And instead of using parama, he uses atma shabda. जीवस्य परस्य च आत्मनः जीवात्मनोः अनन्यत्वम् अभेदेन प्रशस्यते स्तूयते शास्त्रेण व्यासादिभिश्च. By Shruti as well as Sutrakara Vyasa. 1 number टिप्पणी एकरसत्वेन विवक्ष्यते इति यावत्. यच्च सर्वप्राणि साधारणं स्वाभाविकं शास्त्र बहिष्कृतैः कुतार्किकैः विरचितं नानात्व दर्शनम निंद्यते. सर्व प्राणी साधारण, एवरी बीइंग सीज नानात्व. स्वाभाविकम शास्त्र बहिष्कृतैः, what is स्वाभाविकम is अज्ञान आविद्यकम, and शास्त्र बहिष्कृत, these तार्किkas, they are outside of Shastra. Shastra bahishkritaihi kutarkikaihi virachitam. Shastraihi bahishkritaha, ye kutarkikaha. These tarkikas, they are like outside of Shastra, virachitam. Nanatva darshanam nindyate. Nanatva darshan, ninda is done. Now you see some quotations are given. Before that, let us see some tika. Ananyatva abhavashankam vyavartya ekarasatvam darshayati. Ananyatva abhav ashankam. Ananyatva means oneness between Jiva and Paramatma. Its abhava means it is not. The shanka vyavartya ekarasatvam darshayati abhedena prashasyate. Tat prashasyate shastrena iti tat padam adaya vyakyeyam. 6, 7, 8 टिप्पणी. अनन्यत्वम अन्यत्व अभाव रूपम भवेत् इति. अनन्यत्वम means अन्यत्व अभाव इति आशंका. Somebody may have this doubt. अनन्यत्व अभाव आशंका. Ananyatva abhava. See, anyatva means otherness. Ananyatva means non-otherness. Ananyatva abhava means otherness. So it is not there. Ananyatvam anyatva abhava rupam bhave. So it is not like that. भाव इति पाठे तु अनन्यत्वम उभयोः धर्मस्यात् इति आशंकाम इत्यर्थः. भाव इति पाठे. Oh. So instead of ananyatva abhava, if the patha is ananyatva bhava, then pathe tu ananyatvam ubhayoho dharma. So how somebody may say Jiva has one dharma called ananyatva. Brahma has one dharma called Ananyatva. So both of them have same dharma, Ananyatva as their dharma. So we say no, it is not like that. Ananyatva is not their dharma. Shastrena iti अभेद ज्ञान निमित्तक फल कथनेन इत्यर्थः. शास्त्रेण अभेद ज्ञान फलक निमित्त फलक कथनेन. शास्त्रेण in टीका it is given तत् प्रशस्यते शास्त्रेण इति. So अभेद ज्ञान निमित्तक फल कथनम, the result of this फल कथनम अभेद ज्ञान निमित्त आदाय अध्याहृत्य, having done अध्यारोप आदाय तत्पदम आदाय व्याख्येयम. Did you understand what is said there? See, the line says, in Bhashya you read, जीवस्य परस्य च आत्मनः जीवात्मनोः अनन्यत्वम् अभेदेन प्रशस्यते. Correct? टीकाकार says, तत् प्रशस्यते शास्त्रेण इति तत्पदम आदाय व्याख्या. You have to add tat prashasyate. Bhashya says prashasyate. Why? Because it starts with yat. Yat yuktitah shrutitasya nirdharitam tat prashasyate. So you have to add the tat pada. Tat pada here is not tat pada tvam pada. Tat, this pada has to be added just before prashasyate. Shastrena abhed. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
शास्त्रेण अभेद वेदनेन फलवादेन इत्यर्थः. शास्त्रेण अभेद वेदनेन. Shastrena means, you say, I have studied Shastra, but I did not understand abheda jnana. So when you say Shastra I understood, but Advitiyatva I did not understood, then you have not understood Shastra. Shastrena means abheda vedanena. And abheda vedanam is the phala. Abheda vedanena, that is the actual result of the study. So if you study everything and you don't get the Advitiyatvam, then it is vyartham. व्यास पराशरादिभिश्च वेदार्थम व्याचक्षाणैः एकत्वं स्तूयते. By Bhagavan Vedavyas ji and Parashara. Who was Parashara?
Vyas Bhagwan.
Pita. Vyasa Parasharadibhischa Vedartham Vyachakshanaih. They are the ones who do Vyakhya of Vedartha. Vyachakshana. B ang Purvaka Chaksh. Chaksh dhatu is for Vaktayam Vachi, I think. Vyachakshanaih ekatvam stuyate. They have praised ekatvam, where Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudurlabha. And his Parashara Smriti is quoted. Aham Hari Sarvamidam Janardano Nanyat Tatah Karana Karya Jatam. 10 number tippani. Idrung mano yasya natasya bhuyo bhavod bhava dvandva gada bhavanti iti uttarardham. So you know Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabha. All this is Vasudeva Samahatma. He is a Mahatma. He is a Durlabha, Sudurlabha. Then Aham Hari. Bhagavan is mentioning Sarvamidam Janardana. Idam Sarvam, all this is also Hari, Janardana. Nanyat Tataha Karana Karya Jatam. Tataha Janardanat हरेः अन्यत् कारण कार्य जातम न, देर इज नो कारण, देर इज नो कार्य. Idrung mano yasya, the one whose mind is like this, means the one in whose mind all this is Brahma, all this is Vasudeva. What is that? Amrita Bindu Shloka, Antim, last mantra. Aham asmi Vasudeva, aham asmi Vasudeva iti.
सर्वभूतादिवासं यत् भूतेषु च वसति
Vasatyapi grahakatvena Vasudeva. So, that which is in all, Sarva Bhutani, Bhuteshu cha Vasatyapi. And Sarva Bhutadivasam yat, and that which is the Adivasam of all. Bhuteshu cha Vasatyapi Sarvanugrahakatvena. Aham asmi Vasudeva. So that Vasudeva I am. Here also, the one who understands is Idrung Mano Yasya. The one who has such mind, Natasya Bhuyo Bhavod Bhava Dvandva Gada Bhavanti iti Uttarardham. Dvandva Gada means this Dvandva, Raga, Dvesha, etc. Such thoughts he will not have. They will not affect him. He will not be born again. Bhuyo Bhavod Bhavana. So why we are born again? Because of Dvandva. The one whose Dvaita is gone will not be born. This shloka I have quoted in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha somewhere. Aham Harihi Sarvamidam Janardana. Dvitiyardham Vibhajate. Yaccha. Yaccha Sarva Prani Sadharanam Swabhavikam. Shastra Bahishkrutaihi Kutarkikaihi Virachitam Nanat. This Nanatva is a creation of this Kutarkika. Means different Darshanikas with their own Mayajal. They have created that duality. Dvaitam is Satyam. And now it has become so much because every darshana or every organization now is interested in only this Nanatvam. But it is a stepping stone. If you understand that it is for some form of adhyaropa which has to be removed later, then it is fine. Nanatvam nindyate. Now you see quotations in Bhashya. Natu tadvitiyam asti. Natu tadvitiyam asti. This is, I think it is part of Nahi drashtur drishter viparilopo vidyate avinashitvat natu tadvitiyam asti. Then like that, Nahi Vignatur Vignater Viparilopo Vidyate Avinashitvat Natu Tadvitiyam Asti. Like that, so many times this quotation comes. 4.3.23 to 4.3.30. Brahadaranya. Dvitiyad vai bhayam bhavati. Brahadaranyaka. 1.4.2. Fear is there only when there is duality. Dvitiyad vai bhayam bhavati. Udaram antaram kurute athatasya bhayam bhavati. Taittiriya 2.6. Idam sarvam yadayam atma. This is 2.4.6, I think. Idam sarvam yadayam atma. Idam brahma idam kshatram. Ime deva. Ime loka. Imani sarvani. Idagam sarvam yadayam atma. In this way. Mrityo samrityum apnoti ya iha nane vapashyati. Brahadaranyaka 4.4.19. इत्यादि वाक्यैश्च अन्यैश्च ब्रह्मविद्भिः. अन्यैश्च ब्रह्मविद्भिः what? नानात्व दर्शनम निंद्यते. नानात्व दर्शन निंदा इज डन बाय वेदांति. मृत्योः समृत्युमाप्नोति, यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट दिस इज. ठीक है. तन्निंद्यते इति यत् शब्देन उपक्रमात् द्रष्टव्यम. नानात्व दर्शनम निंद्यते is given. There also you have to add tat. tat निंद्यते. यत् अभेदेन तत् प्रशस्यते. यत् नानात्वम तन्निंद्यते. निंद्यते also will have tat. Why? Because yat shabdena upakramat, because it starts with yat, so it should have tat in the middle somewhere. अविद्या मोहितात्मानः पुरुषाः भिन्नदर्शिनः. Purusha means jiva. They are deluded by avidya moha. Bhinnadarshinaha. They want to see only bheda. Mean this bheda buddhi is so much ingrained unless we take time out and dwell on Advaitam, bheda buddhi will not go. Udaramantaram kurute apatasya vayam. अविद्या मोहितात्मानं पुरुषाः भिन्नदर्शिनः. किं तेन न कृतं पापं चोरेणात्मापहारिणा. दिस इज इन महाभारत somewhere. 11 number टिप्पणी gives the पूर्वार्ध. योन्यथा संतमात्मानं अन्यथा प्रतिपद्यते. The one who sees the Atma or knows the Atma which is different in a different way. अन्यथा संतम आत्मानम अन्यथा प्रतिपद्यते. So अद्वितीय आत्मानम द्वैत भावेन प्रतिपद्यते. Then what sin he has not committed? किं तेन न कृतं पापम. He is a chora. He is a atma apahari. He has done atma apaharanam. Means he has committed all mistakes. If you misunderstand Atma, you have committed all sins. See in टीका further, टिप्पणी. एवं प्रायश्चित्ताद् भवेत् शुद्धिर नृणाम गोवधकारिणाम आत्मापहारिणाम पुंसाम प्रायश्चित्तो न विद्यते. Even if somebody has done govadha, if they do some prayaschitta, then they will get shuddhi. Govadakarinam nranam prayashchittat shuddhir bhavet. But atma paharinam pumsam, you say, I have done atma apaharana or I am atmaha. So what prayashchitta I should do? There is no prayashchitta for you. You just have to get atma jnanam. इत्यादि इत्य नहीं इत्यादि वाक्यैः व्यासादयोपि द्वैत दर्शनम निंदन्ति इत्याह. अन्यैश्च ब्रह्मविद्भिः. एवं अनेकत्व दर्शनस्य निंदितत्वेन निषिद्धत्वात् न अनेकत्वं शास्त्रीयम् इति उक्त्वा चतुर्थ पादार्थम् आह. अनेकत्व दर्शनस्य निंदितत्वेन निषिद्धत्वात् न अनेकत्वं शास्त्रीयम्. अनेकत्वम् is not शास्त्रीयम्. Why? Because it is nindita. Therefore it is निषिद्ध. इति उक्त्वा चतुर्थ पादार्थम् आह. यच्च एतदेवं हि समञ्जसम्. एतदेवं हि समञ्जसम्. What is समञ्जसम्?
Logical.
Logical. No, here you see. Ruju avabodham. Ruju means sarala. This is the straight jnana. Ruju avabodham sukhavaseyam ityartha. Tippani says sukhavaseyam. Means easily this is, logical is more appropriate actually. This is straight knowledge or sarala bodham. Iti nyayam. Nyayam means logical. ऋजु अवबोधम न्यायम। टीका विषय भेदेन प्रशंसनम निंद्यम निंदनम च इत्यर्थः। विषय भेदेन प्रशंसनम निंदनम च, same thing is not praised and criticized. Prashansa vishaya is what?
Abheda.
Abheda. And ninda vishaya is bheda. Evam hi द्वैतस्य अशास्त्रीयत्वम अद्वैतस्यैव तत् तात्पर्यगम्यत्वम इति अंगीकारे सति इत्यर्थः। द्वैतस्य अशास्त्रीयत्वम अद्वैतस्य एव तत् तात्पर्यगम्यत्वम अद्वैतस्य एव तत् तात्पर्यगम्यत्वम। व्हाट इज इट? तत्
Shastra.
शास्त्रीय तात्पर्यगम्यत्वम इति अंगीकारे सति इत्यर्थः। So when you accept in this way, then भेददृष्टीनामपि न्यायत्व अविशेषात् भेददर्शननिन्दनस्य कुतो न्यायत्वम् इत्याशंकाः। Somebody will say a भेददृष्टि is also न्याय. I mean that is also valid. भेददृष्टीनामपि न्यायत्वात्, न्यायत्व अविशेषात् means it is also logical. It is accepted by others. न्यायत्व अविशेषात् भेद दर्शन निंदनस्य कुतो न्यायत्वम्। भेद दर्शन निंदा, why do you do? How do you say that is logical? इति आशंकाः। यास्तु in भाष्य यास्तु तार्किक परिकल्पिताः कुदृष्टयः ता अनृज्व्य means they are not ruju, they are anruju, means they are anyaya ityartha. So something interesting happened 2 days back in Kailash. Most of you know we do parikrama during the aarti at the end. So after Shiv Mahimna part, afterwards when we got up, so then we saw in parikrama there was somebody wearing Buddhist clothes. The sleeveless thing, then cover on top, and then that Buddhist bag also you can see, with a not orange color, like a brown color bag. And after parikrama, he was giving dakshina to everybody. So I was wondering, should people take it or not? Just a thought came to me. When dakshina is given by somebody who is of different religion also and different darshan also. If it is a Nayayika, he is Hindu but different darshanika. He was Buddhist, so different dharma, different darshan. So it just a question came to my mind that should people accept, and in particular in a traditional place like Kailasha, where dakshina was given to Mahatmas who study Advaita Brahma Vidya, should they accept it or not? Because if you accept it from someone, tomorrow another person will come who will also have another dharma, another darshan, and he will also offer, and you will take it. When you take it, means you are accepting his annam. Indirectly, you are accepting his annam. So anyway, this thought just went through. I have not discussed with anyone, but I want to at least put that trigger. You see here this quotation is in that reference. यावेद बाह्या स्मृतयो याश्चकाश्च कुदृष्टयः सर्वास्ता निष्फलाः प्रेत्य तमोमूला हि ताः स्मृताः. Any ved bahya smriti, या वेद बाह्याः स्मृतयः याश्चकाश्च कुदृष्टयः, any such kudrishti, darshan which has wrong thinking, they all are nishphalaha. Sarvasta nishphala pretya tamo mula hi taha smritaha. They all have tamaha in their moolam. 5, 6, 7. Veda bahyaha veda viruddha pratipadakaha. कुदृष्टयः वेद विरुद्ध अर्थ शास्त्राणि इत्यर्थः. प्रत्येति प्रत्यय it should be, not pratyay. टिप्पणी correction प्रेत्येति निष्फला इति अन्वयः. मरणांतरम सत् फल शून्यार्थ बोधिका. After death you will attain shunyam. What is the use? Tamo mulaha, brahma mulaha, they are. If we say, Arey, they are not taking away anything, right? They are just giving, so take it. That is, I don't think that is a right approach. If you are not taking anything, just giving, so take it anyway. Iti manuvachanad ityarthah. This is Manusmriti Vakya. न्याय विरोधादपि भेदवादानाम असमंजसत्वम इत्याह. It is न्याय विरोध also अयुक्तिकः. Therefore, it is asamanjasatvam. Asamanja of भेदवाद. भाष्य निरूप्यमाणा अनुज्व्यो निरूप्यमाणा न घटनाम प्रांचति इति अभिप्रायः. घटनाम थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी. संभावनाम प्रांचन्ति गच्छन्ति इत्यर्थः. There is no possibility also of all this Dvaitavadi kudrishti being possible, being real. It is totally out of context. टीका वैशेषिक वैनाशिकादि कल्पना भेदानुसारिण्यो भेदश्च परस्पर आश्रयतादि दोष दूषितो न प्रमीयते. वैशेषिक वैनाशिकादि कल्पना. Any such कल्पना वैशेषिक वैनाशिक में शून्यवादी भेदानुसारिण्यः. They are following the भेद बुद्धि. And भेदश्च परस्पर आश्रयतादि दोष दूषितः. Bheda has paraspara ashraya because there is no bheda. This we have seen earlier, right? Ghata patayoho bheda. The bheda has to depend upon ghata. And ghata has to depend upon bheda for bheda siddhi. In this way, paraspara ashrayatadi dosha dushito. Therefore, it will not be producing prama, na pramiyate. 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. परस्पर आश्रयतादि दोष इति एतच्च वैतथ्य प्रकरणे 34 श्लोके टिप्पण्यां स्पष्टम. We have seen this टिप्पणी in 34th श्लोक. तेन भेदवादानां उत्प्रेक्षामूलानां असमंजसता इत्यर्थः. Therefore, the Bhedavada is Utprekshamula, a Kalpana only, or it is Laukika. It is not Shastriya, Asamanjasata. It is inappropriate, unthinkable. Ityarthaha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति।